questions 6 and 7 are really good to look at because they really help us distinguish between what's an observational study and what's an experiment, because they're very similar, but there's also a key difference. So number 6 says, a farmer divided his piece of land into 4 equivalent groups. The quality of the soil is the same across the 4 groups of land. He planted the same crop in all 4 groups of land and recorded the yield of the crop in all 4 groups for a 4-week period. Number 7 says, a farmer divided his piece of land into 2 equivalent groups, and the quality of the soil is the same in both of these groups. He uses fertilizers for the first group of land, and he does not use fertilizers for the second group of land. At the end of the season, he measured the yield of the crops in these 2 groups. So, in both questions, the farmer is dividing up his land into different groups. Now, in the first question, he's just observing the 2 groups. But in the second question, one of the groups he gives fertilizer to. So that is a treatment. That is influencing the crops. So the first situation is an observational study, and the second is an experiment.